Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are working on a sanding project where you maybe need to go around different contours or different corners, this interface pad from Mirka makes that job a lot easier. This soft pad is 6 inches in diameter and is 0.39 inches thick. It's easy to place on and off your orbital sander with a quick Velcro attachment that really stays in place well. The thick, soft pad allows your sander to adapt to surface irregularities without making gouges or getting stuck on one spot and overworking a higher level on your surface. So you can see that it's really squishy and soft, and it does an awesome job at just moving easily over the changes in the shape on this truck cab. So you'll just pop it on in between the sanding base and your actual sanding disc. And as you can see, it just really does a good job with that conforming, and you can really see the squish around that corner. The holes in the pad also allow for dust extraction, which is definitely a plus in our book. So we have been really happy with the way that this interface pad has performed. It's been a real help on our project, and that's my point of view.